I made it. It took me longer to record than I thought it would. Hi, I'm Pedro, and this is how I won a pair of Segway drifts. The contest was from April 15th through May 15th. Week 1 was the W1's, W1's. Week 2 was the 9BOT in red. Week 3 was the ES2 scooter in white. And week 4 was the go-kart bundle. In my opinion, the go-kart bundle is the best prize because you get the go-kart and a 9BOT. They were really great submissions. My nieces were tuning in every Friday during the Instagram live announcements, hoping and believing that I would win. And I also believed that I would win, but that did not happen. It was cool to see my video shared on their account. It says one of our amazing runner-up videos from the Home with Segway challenge. Hey, ooh, yeah, let's go. No hands, hey, stay. Okay, I got it. Here it is. Cool. So they contacted me on Instagram, and about 2 months later, I received the Segway drifts. Let me know what you think of my submission, and let's watch the unboxing. So one was drifting. As soon as I turned it on, I thought I had a defective product and I didn't know what I was going to do at that point, but thankfully that wasn't the case. At first these were pretty difficult to use, but within a few minutes you could get the hang of it. Personally, I wouldn't use these because I don't feel that comfortable. I don't get to go that fast, but that's me. Maybe one of you guys will enjoy these. Once this video reaches 2,000 views and I have 100 subscribers, I'll be doing the Segway Drift giveaway here on YouTube Live. So like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Make sure you comment down below. Everyone in the comments will be entered to the giveaway, and I really hope that the winner of these is someone that can really enjoy them. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys next time.